My name is Kathleen, and in this short demo, I'll show you how easy it is to make client referrals in PlanStreet. I'll show you how to refer clients to programs within your organization and to outside providers, plus how to manage referral partners, track referral progress, and strengthen collaboration using client and partner portals. So let's get started. From the client's profile, go to the program section and then select the specific activity for which you'll be making the referral. So for this demo, I'm going to select the Senior Center activity. The first thing we're going to want to do is come over here so we can edit and then select the referrals icon. Then we want to select the type of referral from the drop-down menu. So maybe health. Then we come here to add, and then we select the provider from the drop-down menu. So let's refer him to Positive Vibes. Then we'll come here and save. We'll exit out, come to the bottom, and save that referral to this activity. So if the referral partner that we needed wasn't on that drop-down list, what we'll do is we'll head over here to referrals, and I'll just open that up here in a new tab. So to add a new referral partner, all we have to do is come over here to add, and then fill out the name of the partner entity along with any requisite information, such as the services offered, the service area. We would want to include things like the name and the contact information for the designated point of contact of who will be receiving this referral, and any other information that you want to capture. So once that information is saved, that new referral will appear in that drop-down menu going forward. So it makes it really easy for your team to refer clients to where they need to go without missing a beat. And if we want to check here to see which clients we've referred to which partners, all we have to do is select the name of the provider, and then it provides us a list of all the clients along with the program, activity, the service category, and the referral date. We train you and your team on how to do all of that as part of the onboarding process. Now from the dashboard, this is where we can access our different reports. So as we enter information into the reportable fields within PlanStreet, or we're making those referrals, this is where we go to generate the reports, to filter that information. We can change the file types, we can send these reports out, and I'll walk you through how to do some of that right now. So right now I'll go into the referral report here. And we have Power BI embedded within our system. So we have really nice data analytic capabilities. We have visual representations of that data. I can just hover over the visual and get a really quick snapshot of what is happening. We can also filter by the service categories or any categories that are visible to us on the report. We also have a slicer on this particular report, so we can adjust the date range. This comes in really handy if you're doing quarterly reports or annual reports. You can adjust that date range exactly how you need to. So as I mentioned earlier, everything within the system is highly configurable. So I can actually come over here and edit how these reports look. If I want to replace this visual with something else, I can do that over here. I can add different fields. If I want to filter this more specifically, I can change the data, and then we will train your team on how to do all of this. We can also export these reports. So I can come over here and select which file type I want to export this as. I can also come to the top of the table or whatever information section I have on the report, make the selection, and I can see what my different options are. So for example, if I want to export this as an Excel file, I can very easily do that here, and I would just hit export. So right now, I'll go ahead and give you a little bit of a bonus content alert. PlanStreet also offers optional client and partner portals. So the client portal allows clients to view their calendar, complete forms, and access key documents. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other short videos for more PlanStreet tips. And if you haven't already, please schedule your free live demo to see how we can support your team.